From pixelated classics to virtual reality, gaming has come a long way, and the Galaxy Z Fold5 can offer even more opportunities to explore your favorite digital worlds. Great Samsung morning! Welcome to Samsung Galaxy U channel. Ramp things up and improve your gaming experience. Download and install game plugins from the Galaxy Store. Open the app and choose from the list of modules that can help in a variety of ways as you game. Aim's Assist works well on shooting games and makes it easier to see your target. Game Booster Plus lets you adjust and customize your game performance based on battery level, so you can power your games effectively. Game Clock sets an estimated wait time while gaming and then remind you to continue playing so you don't miss out on the action. GIF Creator is designed to create GIF images while playing to share with your friends while you're dominating the competition. PervC gives you a glimpse of your system status and relays information about your device's performance, such as temperature and CPU usage. Priority Mode offers more extensive settings to allow users to fully immerse themselves in the game without being bothered by unwanted notifications that pops out of the screen. Once you've chosen your modules, launch your game while the plugins run in the background and experience the magic it brings. Mobile gaming grows day by day, so get a phone that can keep up with your pace. Be in the loop and keep up with the trend. Every corner is taken care of on the Galaxy Z Fold5. Keep safe, everyone! This has been Sunshine, leaving you with a great Samsung day. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to tap the notification bell and subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated, not outdated.